Hello cousins, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Big Mama Cooks and I have an Instagram page where I post recipes all the time at Big Mama Cooks _. To continue with our Soup Saturdays recipes, today I bring you Asopao de Camarones. Let's get right to it. I am going to be making asopao de camarones for 4. So I'm going to be using 2 pounds of shrimp. I chose to use jumbo shrimp. These are 1620. That's the measurements on the type of shrimp that I purchased. These are 1620 jumbo shrimps. And I'm also going to walk you through how to clean your shrimp. So first and foremost, I run them through cold water for a couple of minutes and I pull off the tail. Then I cut them down the line. I put a little pressure so that it can cut through. And I'm going to remove the droppings. Shrimp eat as well as we do, and they also have to digest. So we have to remove the dropping. Some people like to scrape it off. I like to cut it off completely. And that's how you clean shrimp. So in a large pot, going on medium-high heat, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of oil and I'm going to add in my vegetables. All of the ingredients will be listed in the bottom bar. I would like to note that I didn't have any Auyama for this recipe. Shame on me. So I had to replace the Auyama with carrots. Even though I have still the perfect consistency, I prefer to make this recipe with Auyama. Auyama is also known as Calabaza or Jamaican pumpkin. These are all Auyama. Next, I'm going to add in my seasonings. Here I have some aceitunas. I have 2 orange seasoning packets, some black pepper, oregano molido, sofrito, and 2 cubitos or chicken bouillon cubes. I like to use the seasoning packets from the Accent brand because these give me great color, great flavor. They're not so salty and they don't give me the deep dark orange or bright yellow color that some other condiment packets and brands give. Then I'm going to go ahead and add water. I added in 5 cups of water and I'm going to mix this around. And then I'm going to add in 1 cup of washed rice. I have a video up on my channel on how to wash and clean your rice for cooking. And I'm going to mix everything really well together. And then I'm going to cover my pot for 15 minutes. Again, this is still going on medium-high heat. So we're going to let this go for 15 minutes to cook up the rice. At the end of those 15 minutes when we return, we are going to lower the flame to low. Next, we're going to add in our shrimp. We're going to add in our shrimp and mix it together. This is going to cook really quickly, like within 10 minutes our shrimp is cooked, and I'm also going to add in an additional cup of water. So altogether I have 6 cups of water to 1 cup of rice. You're going to see how soupy and thick and delicious this becomes with that little bit of rice and that much water. Look at the shrimp. Look how quickly. This has only been, I'm going to say like 30 seconds, and look how the shrimp is changing color. Shrimp cooks so fast and you never want to overcook your shrimp. Then I'm just going to add a little cilantro over the top and I'm going to cover it for those 10 minutes. After those 10 minutes on low heat, when we come back, our cilantro has completely wilted and all those flavors have seeped into our asopao. I'm just going to pull out the cilantro and I'm going to pull out the large pieces of vegetables. This is a personal preference of mine, pulling out celery just because my husband really hates celery. So I pull them out and I'm going to mix everything around and we have made asopao. Our asopao de camarones is officially done. As our asopao cools, it begins to thicken and thicken and thicken. If it becomes too thick for you, you just have to add in a little bit more water. And there you have it, cousin. You have officially made asopao de camarones. This one was an easy one and it's so yummy. I hope you make this and I hope you enjoy it. Thank you for watching. See you again next time, cousins.